The other superstar in politics is currently involved in a big slugfest with your leader, Kamal Hassan. He's going to be here shortly at the conclave as well. It's kind of deteriorated into a very personal kind of spat between Kamal Hassan and Mr. Stalin, because which is strange, because otherwise he's seen as a friendly face to the DMK.
We wish Mr. Kamal Hassan all the very best, but unfortunately, we are sorry.
You must expand on that point.
It explains everything. I'm sorry.
Because he's been out on the campaign trail right now. You're being
I think
you're being condescending to the latest entrant into Tamil Nadu politics, and you're saying you're sorry.
I didn't say anything, but I feel sorry.
You shook your head and said you're sorry twice to Kamal Hassan. I'm sure he's going to be briefed before he arrives.
Okay, I'll say sorry thrice.
No, but honestly, what kind of role do you think someone like a Kamal Hassan will play, in this election?
You should ask his boss. You should ask Amit Shah or Modi.
You're saying the BJP is controlling Kamal Hassan also?
Yes, yes. You should ask them. You should ask their bosses, what will be the future of Kamal Hassan? Ask Modi. It's BJP's B team. Shamelessly, he's doing the job.
Why do you say that? Explain that. What kind of role does Kamal Hassan play in this election that makes him, in your view, the B team of the BJP?
See, unfortunately, the way he's been going around with things, it is very evident for people of Tamil Nadu. See, one thing is, we have been watching him. See, he's been not a superstar like Rajni, but he's been liked by everybody. And I have all respects for him as an individual, as an hero. As politics, we all judge him and see how fast he changed colors. He's been changing colors very fast. And this, we know why it happens. Because he's been getting instructions from top. At one point, he was ready to merge his party with Rajinikanth. And you yourself know who was trying to bring Rajinikanth to politics. Who? So what do you say about it? What do you gather about it? We are very clear. Probably people in the north, you should spend more time in south. Stop coming only once in 5 years when there's election in Tamil Nadu. I'll also request not only India Today group, but all the other group, don't come to Tamil Nadu, or don't try to have 2-3 contacts. Have more contacts with us.
No, India Today has a permanent presence here in the south.
I'm not saying it's not for you. I'm trying to ridicule someone else here, not you. I'm sending a message.
I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying. But final question, Mr. Maran. Last question to you. Yes. This has been something that has been tantalizing to television, the Sasikala factor. We saw, the big show of strength when she came from Bengaluru to Chennai. Then a lot of, whispers in the corridors about what her role would be. And then finally that dramatic, unplugging, saying that she's quitting politics and public life. Would you say, let me preempt and say, are you going to say the BJP orchestrated that as well?
See, first of all, I don't want to talk about a national hero. She fought for the freedom of our country. She fought for Tamil to become a classical language. She fought for Tamil Nadu. In fact, she fought against AIDS. She's a national hero. She's a criminal. She was criminal. If she was a criminal, she was accused, she was convicted for what? For crimes, for corruption. Because she and Jayalalitha, along with 2 others, colluded, cheated the people, took money from the people of Tamil Nadu. And that's the reason she spent 4 years in jail. Who took the credit for it? BJP took the credit for putting Sasikala in jail. And who wanted Sasikala's party to merge with ADMK? The same old BJP, who claims they are against corruption. Shame on BJP. Now BJP realizes if Sasikala goes in campaign, she might dent the ADMK vote. So they threatened with their allies. Who are the allies? The Enforcement Department, the Central Bureau of Investigation, NIA, and every other source which they have under their command, who are right now not a caged parrot, a caged rabbit, to go against them. And that's what. If anyone can't see it, and people of Tamil Nadu are just saying, they're waiting. See, now you know why there's a frustration with BJP. Everywhere, few section, only 2% of people, that's a percentage, trying to control the entire Tamil Nadu. You want to dominate us in every way? You think we are going to let you do that? Tamil Nadu people will answer that question very soon.